3, 2, 1. Hey, what's up mga bad boys? Baguhan pa lang kasi channel ko, mag-subscribe na kayo dyan.
A few
Pinutin yung
moments
notification
later.
bell para updated ka sa mga bagong upload na gagawin ko. For more coming Sesame video, click to subscribe, like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to comment, like the description box below. For today's my vlog, Kawasaki Z500 SE model 2024 aspect SRP 355,000 pesos. And engine type 4-stroke parallel twin liquid cooled fuel injected engine. Engine displacement 451 cubic centimeter. Maximum of power 51.3 horsepower at 10,000 RPM. Maximum of torque at 42.6 Newton meter torque at 7,500 RPM. Transmission 6-speed return. Curved mass 168 kg. Fuel tank capacity 14 liters. Bore stroke 70.0 by 58.6 mm. Compression ratio 11 by 3 by 1. Fuel system DFI with dual 32 mm total bodies. Ignition TCB with digital advance. Transmission 6-speed with positive neutral finder. Final drive seal chain rear trail 24.5 degree or 3.6 inch. Front tire size 110 by 70 by 17. Rear tire size 150 by 60 by 17. Wheelbase 54.1 inch. Front suspension 41 mm hydraulic telescopic fork or 4.7 inches. Rear suspension horizontal backlink shock with adjustable spring preload. 5.1 inches of travel. Front brake single 310 mm semi-floating disc with a 2-piston caliper with ABS. Rear brake single 220 mm disc with single piston caliper. Fuel tank capacity ay 3.7 gallons. Seat height 30.9 inches. Curb weight 370.4 pounds. Warranty 12 months. Kung baguhan ka pa lang sa channel ko, you don't forget to like and share and subscribe. Click thumbs up at huwag kayong mahayang mag-comment dito sa baba nito at ipindutin yung bell icon para i-subscribe mo na rin. At itong motor na to isang sports naked bike ng Kawasaki na 2024 model. Ang SRP niya 355,000 pesos. Ito yung pinaka bunso ng Ninja 500 SE. Isa siyang sport naked bike ng Kawasaki. 4-stroke siya, parallel twin at liquid cooled, double overhead cam. Ang displacement niya naman 451 cubic centimeter. Malakas din yung horsepower niyan, 51.3 horsepower at 10,000 RPM. Yung torque naman niya, hindi ka bibitinin. Nasa 42.6 Newton meter of torque at 7,500 RPM. Hindi ka bibitinin ito. Up curve mass, yung bigat naman niya ay 168 kg. Medyo may bigat na din. Ang capacity naman niya, 14 liters per kilometer. By times 14. At kung lagi ka na gagawin sa aking channel, don't forget to like and share and subscribe. Click notification bell for more details, for more upload these my videos. Dito naman niya sa transmission naman niya, 6-speed with positive neutral finder naman. Tapos yung final drive, sealed chain. Tapos yung trail naman niya, 24.5 degree. Tapos ay angle. Tapos 3.6 inches. Yung sukat naman ng harap niya, 110 by 70 by 17. Tubeless. Tapos yung likod naman niya 150 by 60 by 17. Sana kung di ka nakapag-subscribe pa sa channel ko, subscribe ka na diyan. Laking tulong 'yan sa akin ng subscribe. Laking tulong 'yan sa akin 'yan. Masaya na rin ako pag nakasubscribe na rin kayo. Ano naman niya, seat height naman niya 31.9. Abutin naman ito ng 5'4", 5'6". Abutin ito. At saka 5'2". Tsaka 5'3", abot na rin yan. Medyo mababang seat height niya. Ito mabibili nyo to sa mga Kawasaki Alabang, Cabanatuan, Batangas, Motorcycle City, Cainta, Motorcycle City, Cabanatuan, Kappa Starlock, mabibili nyo rin ito Kawasaki. Ang SRP niya ay 355,000 pesos. Ito magsha-shoutout na naman tayo. Shoutout kay Jmoc Motovlog, shoutout kay Rich for Speed Motovlog, shoutout. Shoutout kay Leo Motovlog, shoutout. Shoutout nga kay Palubusa Motovlog, shoutout. Shoutout nga kay Moto Jamin Motovlog, shoutout. Shoutout nga kay Kaki Motovlog, shoutout. Shoutout nga kay Sara Motovlog, shoutout. Shoutout nga kay Misteki Motovlog, shoutout. Shoutout kay Jawo Motovlog, shoutout. Shoutout kay Boss Snatch Abdul Motovlog, shoutout. Shoutout nga kay Motowell, shoutout. Shoutout nga sa'yo. Shoutout nga kay Rich Sweet Potato Motovlog, shoutout. Shoutout kay Noisy Potato Motovlog, shoutout. Shoutout nga sa'yo. Shoutout nga kay Rabara Family, shoutout. Shoutout nga sa inyo. Shoutout nga kay Idol Motovlog, shoutout. Shoutout nga kay Boss M ng Team Gravity, shoutout. Shoutout nga sa'yo. Shoutout nga sa inyo. Shoutout nga kay Pangapamili, shoutout. Shoutout nga sa inyo. Sa inyo lahat. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe. Click notification bell for more details, para mo upload this my video. See you on the next vlog, guys. And 5. Thank you for watching this my vlog. See you on the next vlog. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Babush! Babush!